Hello everybody. Well, I am in the car and I am on my way down to the rendezvous down in PA, about 2 hours from here. When I get there, you guys are gonna have a lot of fun. So I'm out at the rendezvous. It's a beautiful place. It's just gorgeous. Got my tent all set up, ready to go. All right, we're out here at the fishing competition. Whoever gets the biggest fish and the most fish. So let's give this a shot. Oh, great. I didn't want to go there. Not looking good out here for me. All right, here we go. Watching City Sticker. Chris, ride the zip line.
Okay.
We'll find out.
Here we go. Too much.
Okay, now. Got me in it? All right, here I go.
That was hot. That was like. Oh, nice. Got a video.
Okay, now cut. All right, we'll show you all the different foods we got here. Some elk, delicious. Some beaver, cheese potatoes, deviled eggs, green beans. What is that? Okay, no idea. And this was delicious. Is beef. No, I mean it's bear sloppy joes. So it's made out of bear meat. Got some venison burgers right here. Veggie tray, pasta salad, potato salads, macaroni salad, some spicy jerky beer, but I ate it already. Smoked salmon. That is salmon and cream cheese. Everything was delicious. So one thing here. I don't know what that is back there. Oh, we also have some shredded beaver. I know that's beaver. And that's the kiddie table. I said, that's all the treats right there that I'm not supposed to eat. I like the elk though.
Every dime you got. And it costs a lot of money, the elk country. Oh, yeah. But you'll keep going back, and then you eat one. Then you bring one home and you eat it.
The elk's delicious.
And you start saving for the next time.
So they might be coming back now.
Freezer Dark 30 versus Coyote Whackers. Oh, what a start! What a start!
Oh, let me go first again. You look like Happy Gilmore. You just ran up there.
The Happy Gilmore throw.
Happy Gilmore.
Got me laughing.
I mean, places where I beaver trapped for years, completely wiped out a beaver. I mean, they will, once you have a drought and you have otter in the area, all the fish will be gone. Muskrat will be gone. And once the muskrat are gone, they'll start on the younger beaver. And then I've seen an otter a couple inches longer than this one. He took down a full-grown 60-pound beaver.
Wow.
So it brings boys back.
So check this out. We found a black walnut. We're going to bust it open and see what's inside. It ain't budging.
Outdoors, we got a raccoon pelt.
Bentley!
Bentley!
Where's Bentley?
Bentley!
He's coming. He's running.
You win a real life
Yeah, we can get the kids in here.
Daddy,
Raccoons. There you go. Raccoon hide to hang up on your wall.
Is that pretty cool? Here, show it up with the camera.
Yeah, show it to the camera.
Nice. Not now.
Hey, buddy, look what you got.
Abby Carl. Hey,
That's one old bud.
Hi everybody, I'm Rick Wonderling with Pro Staffer for Ruglightsense. It's my very first time doing interviews, very first time out here by myself introducing our products. But first and foremost, I want to thank Freezer Bound Outdoors and all you guys for coming. I appreciate it. I appreciate your education and your time.
He's kind of new at this, so
Brand new.
he wants our input back on how he can do better too.
There could have been 3 or 4 more. And the funniest thing is, I had a fishing trap spray. They watched it, they came in with it, and after.
Last night it's storming. We had a heck of a storm last night. But my little faithful REI tent still standing. And the only damage from that storm is this one pole bent. Had to be about 60 mile/hour winds. Oh, it's not too bad. I can get that back out. But other than that, other guys held in very good. This is probably the only other damage. And I can't say that they were cheap because with those winds last night, it's good. That's all it did was bend. Wow.